Did you know TripVision offers a variety of specialized dashboards? So, whether you focus on fleet health or lowering total cost of ownership, TripVision's dashboards offer the insights you need to make informed decisions. Click on the Dashboards button and the Summary dashboard is displayed by default. The Summary dashboard examines the health, safety, and performance status of the fleet and identifies vehicles that need evaluation. For more information, simply click on a category. Next is the Executive dashboard, which gives an aggregated look at how fleet vehicles are performing. The Executive dashboard is a great benchmarking tool, as it helps fleets identify trends in areas such as total downtime and parameter compliancy. And for those on the service side, the Maintenance dashboard examines how the fleet is performing from a health and safety perspective. This information is useful in real time, such as determining how many vehicles have expired PM events, or to track average health and safety rates over time. Want to learn more about TripVision's dashboards? Visit us online at Noregon.com.